Good morning, dear students and friends. I am welcoming you to the Prithviraj English Academy. As we all know that we are doing the Social Studies series for SST Part 2 of new syllabus of 2024 and 25. In this video, I am going to discussing the question answers of 7 standards, chapter number 27. Lesson chapter name is called Antarctica. Antarctica. So without a delay, let's start the question answers of chapter Antarctica. So exercises in that first one, fill up the blanks with a suitable word. First one, the landmass nearest to the continent of Antarctica is dash. Answer is South America. Now move to the next. The one who discovered the continent of Antarctica was dash. Answer is Charles Wilkes. Now move to the next. The person who discovered the South Pole was dash. So answer is Ronald Amundsen. Now move to the next. The first research station established by the Indian team in Antarctica was dash. Answer is Dakshina Gangotri. Now move to the second main. Answer the following questions. In that first one, mention the location and extent of the Antarctica. So those are now. Antarctica is the continent that surrounds the South Pole. Okay, here I'm going to show you the Antarctica. Antarctica will be, this is the world map. Fully here we have the Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America and Australia. This part from here to here, they didn't give, but it will becomes like, okay, here, from here to here, we are going to call it as Antarctica. Okay, and Antarctica is totally surrounded the South Pole, is what there in the South Pole. Most of the continents lie within the Antarctica circle. Antarctica circle, it is like a circle here. We have the Antarctica circle, okay, and are 66 degree 30 south latitude, means here as whole world. This is it is the 0 degree equator, and this is the 23rd and half Tropic of Capricorn. Then afterwards it will become the 66 and half. So here it will become, so that is that line. So here we have the Antarctica. Okay. Then move to the next. A unique position of the continent is that it is opposite to the Arctic Ocean ground the North Pole. Here, this is the Arctic Ocean, just opposite of this one. Here we have, from here to here, we have the Antarctic continent, and here is the Arctic, means opposite of that. This is there in north and this is there in south. Okay. Now move to the next. Extent from here to here. Okay. The Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. Fifth largest continent in the world. Okay, fifth largest. First, okay, the first one, second, third, fourth, and fifth one. Then sixth and seventh. Okay. Now move to the next. Its total area is 14.2 million kilometers. It is larger than China and India. The Antarctic Ocean is larger than China and India. Now move to the next. Explain the physical settings of the Antarctica. The continent of Antarctica is surrounded by water bodies. Here nothing is there, fully we have the water bodies only. Here we have the Indian Ocean, here we have the Antarctica Ocean, then here we have the South Pacific Ocean. So fully it was going to covered by the water only. Okay. And it is often called the Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean, but it is not a separate ocean. It is not a separate ocean. It was the Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. It is mix of that. Okay. Then Cape Horn, the southern extreme and end of the South America, is the nearest land to this continent. It lies at a distance of 990 kilometers. Here, South America's. Okay, South America's Cape Horn. It is very near to that. That distance is 900 and this one 990 kilometers. Okay, now move to the next. Antarctica is bound by the Indian Ocean in the east. Here, Indian Ocean, it becomes in the east directions. Okay, from here to here, right side east. Okay, the next point is they are mentioning that the Pacific Ocean in the west. Okay, here is Pacific Ocean in this side. It is west. Okay, and then come to the next. And the Atlantic Ocean on the north coast. Antarctica, here it is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, now move to the next. Third question. Mention the important mountains and peaks of the Antarctica. Now move to the next. The Trans-Antarctica Mountain crosses the entire mountain. Here we have the Vinson Massif. The highest peak in the Antarctica is located in Ellsworth Mountains. Then here we have the Mount Ebers, Antarctica's most active volcano, is on the Rose Island. Rose Island. Another one is Prince Charles Mountain. Okay, now move to the next. Name the plants and animals of the Antarctica. Okay. The climate of the continent is extremely cold and it is hostile. Yeah, unfriendly. Here it has the 6 months of the sunshine and 6 months of the darkness. Fully darkness for 6 months and fully sunshine for the 6 months. Very limited plant life can be survived here. It mainly consists of what will be there? Mosses, lichen, and algae living on the rocks. Okay, the next, animals. Only very few animals which can they are going to here. Of those are, we are going to call them Kefita. These are adverse climate life here. But there is a variety of animal life in the surrounding water bodies. Okay, those are the water bodies: krill, penguins, whales, seal, and variety of the seabirds live here. Okay, here you have the penguin and the seal. This is the animals. Okay, now move to the next. Mention the Indian research centers in the Antarctica. Okay, those are Dakshina Gangotri. It was built in 1983. It was buried in a year of 1989 and later executed and is being used again for the storage. Then second one is Maitri is the second settlement set up in a year of 1988 and 89 for the experiments in geology, natural science, geography and medicines. Bharti is the third proposed settlement and active research station for the study of the oceanography. Okay, related to the ocean they are going to study over there. Those are here. We have the Maitri and Bharti Indian Research Centers. The picture are there here. You can go through it. So, my dears, by this one we have completed the question answer of this lesson. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, then please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you come to know this video is worthful for you, then please share this video among your friends and don't forget to press the bell icon. And as please subscribe my channel to get more new updates from my side. So thanks for watching this video, my dears. Once again, Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.